25 years ago, Global Mission's mandate was to focus attention on the most challenging unreached areas of the world. Challenging areas like the Soviet Union, China, India, and the large cities of the world. Today, Adventist Church membership is 3 times what it was back in 1990. Thousands of new churches have been planted, many in previously unentered areas. And while there are still many challenges, the Adventist Church has grown in the countries of the former Soviet Union, China, and India. But one challenge has been getting larger, the challenge of the cities. In 1990, there were 10 cities with more than 10 million people, megacities. Today, that number has nearly tripled, and the number of megacities is growing. As large numbers of people populate the cities, how can we reach them? How can we share God's love with the masses in the urban areas of the world? How can our message of hope in Jesus' soon return break through the noise of the cities? More than 100 years ago, Ellen White wrote,
"We must do more than we've done to reach the people of our cities. Over and over again, the light has been given me that we should establish in all our cities small plants which shall be centers of influence."
Today, centers of influence are making a difference in people's lives in cities around the world. Many of them are health and wellness centers that offer health screenings, health food, cooking and exercise classes, and massage therapy. In Jakarta, Indonesia, large apartment buildings often have a shopping center on the ground floor. Here, among the small clothes stores and food shops, Adventists are opening centers of influence in the form of health kiosks. As a result of this mall ministry, visitors can get an electronic health scan, have a report emailed to them, and get recommendations on how to live a healthier life. Others are vegetarian or vegan restaurants, offering healthful food options, as well as opportunities to learn about living a healthier lifestyle. One such restaurant is Vegana in Vasa, Finland. In addition to its healthy buffet, Vegana has held a health expo, stop smoking clinics, and Bible classes. Others are community centers that offer homework and after-school help, language and skills training classes, and counseling. One unique center is in Denmark's capital, Copenhagen, where Adventists have found a creative way of mingling with people in the community. Nestled among the various shops in the heart of the city is a small secondhand shop called Happy Hand. The people in Denmark value recycling, and secondhand shops are popular. But Happy Hand offers more than redistributing quality used items. Happy Hand is a center of influence where people can come and learn about Jesus.
I think I feel that here it's more open. It's very public that this is a Christian shop. We have Bible verses on the walls, and it's very clear that this is a place where we are Christians, and it's very open. So it's easier to get into those conversations with people.
And we also have a poster that says that if you want to talk to a pastor, you can just ask. So yes, people do come in here and just want somebody to talk to and maybe pray for them.
We have a contact with the people here that we don't get in church. People can come in from the street and they can sit down and have a cup of warm tea, or and just be able to talk to somebody about anything, and we actually reach people here, and we can do something for them. Just having a second-hand shop wouldn't be enough for me to participate, because there are lots of those, but having this extra aspect really makes it worth it.
I've been doing a few evening programs in here, mostly about couple relationships, how to have a good marriage, and also about parenting, how to be a good parent and how to raise your children. And we've just advertised it on the window to the shop and at the counter, and people have come.
Yeah, but actually we had this spiritual wellness on Tuesday, and there were 3 women that they just came in from the street. And one of them, she said she wanted to come to the Bible brunch.
And Bea just called me one evening and said, I need volunteers, can you please come and help? And I'm busy, we have 4 kids, my husband is very busy, so I said I don't have the time. But I think it's a very important project, and I can see the vision of it. So yes, I'll come and help for 3 months. And that is about 2 years ago.
Through Centers of Influence, Seventh-day Adventists are mingling with people, meeting their needs, winning their confidence, and introducing them to Jesus.
We are not to wait for souls to come to us. We must seek them out where they are. When the word has been preached in the pulpit, the work has but just begun. There are multitudes who will never be reached by the gospel unless it is carried to them.